love the country,
while I prefer the town. When we put our heads together, we're the best combination around.
Emily
And Alexander, we're really quite a pair. Wherever there's adventure, you'll find these two cousins there. We like to visit relatives.
Oh, and making friends is fun.
Yup, excitement seems to find us whenever we do either one. Evil rats are all around,
So trouble soon begins.
we just put our heads together. In the end, we always win. Country mouse and city mouse, we're really quite a pair. Wherever there's adventure, you'll find these two cousins there. Country mouse and city mouse.